In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix my Garmin Connect app that it was not syncing or working properly. So basically what I did is that I firstly closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app and then you should be taken here. Now in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now on this page I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here and then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, and then when it's done just swipe up like this and then you're going to click on search up top. So click on search for Connect here. So it's called Connect actually for some reason, not Garmin Connect, just Connect. Then click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Then we're just going to click on reinstall app here. And I did that and then I just waited for the app to completely update to its latest version. And then when it was done, I just went back and then it was fixed for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.